Hello, this is Rapid Holding System. I'm having very interesting wire EDM tooling here. Just put up all together for demonstration purposes. This wire EDM setup customer order for his CUT P550 wire EDM machine. The clamping beam number is RHS-W615 ruler. This clamping beam is 615 millimeters long clamping beam and exact compatible to system 3R-239 clamping beams. Delivers with the end clamps on both sides. The reference elements or the dovetail clamps customer order is RHS-WL445. The length of this dovetail element is 415 millimeters. Deliver with all the required screws. I'm having here mounting adapter. Our RHS part number is RHS-W7394. This mounting adapter is compatible to system 3R-272 HP. Mount directly on the reference elements. This one is adjustable in 3 axes. We are also having a fixed one which will be compatible to 3R-226.4. This one is used for manually clamping the SuperVices, holders, etc. I'm having this SuperVice RHS-293.3 which is compatible to 3R-293.3 SuperVice. This is a beautiful low profile SuperVice, useful to clamp the rectangular and round workpieces. By adjusting this knob, this clamp will open up to grab the workpiece here. All of this tooling is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com. We helped our customer to make a user cost-effective kit to start up his machine. Reach us today and let us know your machine model or share your wire EDM machine drawing. We'll be able to help you find out the correct length of the wire EDM beams and reference elements for your machine. Have a good day.